Alright, so just a quick check-in today on page 35, the beginning of task 9.6. It introduced a problem that the statistics classes at Maine East wanted to know if there's a relationship between how much time students spend on their smartphone and the scores they get on a test. So they selected some students, they asked what's the average amount of time you spend on your phone and what was your most recent test score out of 10. The data was given to you in this table. So we have all the information here about the number of hours on the phone and the test score that students received. So first thing you had to do was take this table and convert it into a scatter plot. So let's make sure we did label our axes. First thing you'll notice I did was go to my X and Y axis. X-axis is the hours on the smartphone, Y-axis is the test score, and then I got busy plotting my points. So 2 hours on the smartphone was a test score of 9, that's X is 2, Y is 9, and you can see that in my scatter plot at 2, 9 right there. I went ahead and did that for all of the remaining right on down to 1, 9. There's 1 hour on the phone and a score of 9. And once I looked at all those points, I got the sense that there is an association here. I chose a negative association because in general it looked like the farther to the right we went, we also went down more. These points down at the bottom right as opposed to these points up at the top left. Line of fit would go somewhere through the middle of there. And so then we can write that out in context at the bottom and say that as the hours on the smartphone increases, that's as the hours on the smartphone increase, then the test score, and that's the Y value test score here, was decreasing. So that's it for checking page 35. You can go ahead now, work just on page 36. That's numbers 4 through 6 on page 36. Thank you.